it. And ayan guys, this is all my watches that I am.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Guys, ayan. I have my all what is that? This is all my oh my I'm gonna show you guys all my watches. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng favorites ko at hindi ko favorites. So ayan guys, this is all about watches, all my favorite watches and mga binili kong watches. That's it. Watch. It's all the battery is no battery na. The battery is already it's what do you call this? It's empty or lobat. Ano ba yun? I'm here again like this. I'm getting. Ayan. Battery is empty. Ayan. That's, I mean, like this. My Michael Kors. It's already no battery. Another Michael Kors. No battery. Ayan. At itong ating Seiko. No battery also. Ayan. It's all stuck. And another. Ito guys. This is Citizen. Ayan. My Citizen. Guys, this is all watch, you know, the Seiko and Citizen. This is made from Japan. This very a long time with me already, more than 30 or 35 years or can you imagine guys? Ayan. So tomorrow I'm going to bring in the city. I'm gonna put a new battery. Ayan. But I don't know how much the battery, guys. Ayan. Only working with me is, you see here. Ito kasi, this is automatic, guys. This is my Tissot. Ayan. Tissot with, ayan, brilliant. Ayan, may brilliant yan. Tunay yan, mga kalinto. Yun lang na nag-work. At saka ito. And this one is working still. What is this? This is also Guess, guys. Ayan. Only these two, my Guess and my Tissot is working. But these four guys is not working no more. Ayan, meron pa rin ako dito guys. I don't know. Where is that? Ayan, this is, ayan. This is only a local guys. Local lang to. This is only like, I don't know what is this name. But anyway, this is only local. Ayan, wala rin siyang battery. So kaya yan guys, all no battery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 5 watch is not working no more. So I need to change a new battery. Ayan, because ayan guys, importante sa akin, for me, the battery, the watch is important. Ayan guys. So I told you guys, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, wait. So, only working is like, ayan, wait guys, I'm gonna put here para you will see, diba? So, only working is these two, o, diba? This small. Ayan guys, I love always small watch because, you know, my arms is so small. Ayan. Tulad nito, itong Michael Kors, this is small, but I have these two. This is two is bigger. Ayan, ang Seiko and the Michael Kors again. Ayan, but all of this now, you see this is all small. O, diba? So, ayan guys. Ayan, I will bring this tomorrow in this city. I'm going to show you also. Okay? So, let's go in the city tomorrow. I'm going to sleep first and then I'm going to continue my vlog tomorrow, guys. Ayan. So guys, there we go. We're going in the city. I bring all my watches in the watch store, of course. We're gonna put some new battery, you see. So guys, ayan, I will show you. And please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video, guys. I'm biking, you see. So guys, see you. And of course, this is me. Hello. Ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. So guys, come on. Let's bring na my watches in the store. Ayan guys. Dito na siya. Nilagyan na ng battery. So, dito sa. Guys, dito. So, I don't fear. So, ayan guys. And I saw this guys. It's beautiful. So, ayan guys. Dito mga uwa. Ayan. Omax. So, puro mga relo. Diba guys? Can I cook here? This, uy. Cook madam. This is Sean. Diba? Marami silang. Uy. Had out dinners. Uwa. Okay. Tanasyon. Done good. So ayan mga kalindog. Here is they have also the leather girdle or the ayan cinturon. What is that? The belt. At mga leather na bags. So guys, that's it. Pansit. So ayan mga kalindog. As I can tell you ang aking all different watches. So, ayan guys, ang aking mga favorite. Well, I put only the battery, all my favorite watches or my favorite watch. But the other is because I don't use it. It's, I don't know guys, I always buy. I buy but I don't use. That's my problem. But of course, I'm just using only all the, have a memory with me. Like from, I went in Japan. And a little bit expensive, and the what do you call it, the thing, the small one, because my arms is small. So ayan guys, kaya I put only battery what I want or what's my favorite. But I show you guys all my watches. Ayan. So ngayon, I put some battery, the watches all I need or what I use. But the other, I don't use it. So I let like that. I'm thinking I'm gonna give it away, Charles. So ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo, ayan. Like this, wait, I'm gonna take care of this. Ayan. This is what I told you before guys. This is a Seiko 5. No, a Seiko, yeah, Seiko. This is the one that I bought in Japan. So ayan, matagal na yan guys. This is from Japan. So, ayan mga kalindog, wait, I show you all of these, guys. Ayan mga kalindog, ito yung ginagamit ko everyday because I like it. And of course, ayan, so meron na siyang, I put some battery also. You see, it's 932. And ayan, of course, my Michael Kors, ayan, may battery na siya. I also put some battery. So, ayan, what I use. Diba? And of course, this is also because this is my favorite. Ayan. This is, I don't put the battery because, I don't know. This is belong here, guys. Okay? So, ayan. This is also, guys, this is the Citizen. So, from Japan. Ayan. So, I put also the, already the battery. O, diba? Ayan. And of course, ay mga kalindog, my favorite and the beautiful because I have a diamond, Charles. There, ayan. This is white gold, guys. Ayan, white gold siya. Yan ang paborito ko. My favorite every time I go out. This is the brilliant, ayan. Brillantitos. Ang kanyang stone or the stone is the same like this, guys. So the small brilliant, I don't know kung but this is brilliant, guys. Ayan, this is Tissot, guys. One of my a little bit expensive, yeah. Ayan, white gold yan, guys. This is white gold. Ayan, my favorite. Tissot. I show you, ayan. Tissot. So, and of course, ayan, another one is Michael Kors. Ayan, of course, meron siyang bato also, stone in round. But this stone, I think, is not real. And of course, this is one. Ayan guys, Guess. I love this watch because this is a Guess. This also have stone. Ayan. I love always when they have stone. So, and if you see this guys, because I cannot use this all my watches in my work. So I have my nurse watch. Ayan, the nursing watch. Ayan, this is what I use every time I'm going to work. So because this they're gonna hang in my ayan, in my fans, for example here. So I watch it. So ayan guys, I will show you like that. Hang yan, ganyan, and then I watch like this. So what time is it? Ayan, so right. So that's it, pansit. And ayan guys, this is all my watches that I am. Ayan, this watch, I use it when I'm running. Ayan, so they can see. Ayan guys, when I'm running, the sport bracelet. But this is the watch. Ayan, so I don't use this no more because I don't like. And also this. Ayan, and also this. Ayan, mga new yan guys. Mga ayan, diba? Yan ang tinatawag na Daniel Heiter. Ayan, Daniel, my brother. And of course, this, oh, ayan guys. I don't use no more. But all new yan guys ha, mga new yan. Ayan, yan, yellow, my favorite also. It's like orange, diba? It's like, oh, diba? Parang ano lang, Charles. And ayan, guys. Of course, ayan, favorite ko yun ito noon, pang araw-araw. But guys, ayan, yung aking mga watches. So, now, I put some battery. It's all okay na. O, diba? Ayan. So, mga kalindog. Ayan lahat. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. So, that's it, mga kalindog. Ayan, tulad ng sinabi ko, as I told you, this is my favorite. My Tissot, because this is, I put like, it's a terno with my, ayan, sing-sing. For example, charot. Ayan, para sa terno ng aking diamond. Charot. O, diba? With diamond ring, o diba, with, ayan, Tissot, with brilliant, o diba, yan, favorite ko yan, kasi, I put some all, ayan guys, I have all this watch, I put some, always terno, like, for example, this, I have the hearing of Michael Kors, also, ayan, mga kalindog, so that's why, I love all my watches. So, ayan guys, I'm happy now because I put some batteries, all my empty favorite watches. And this the other watches that I don't use no more. Ayan, I'm thinking, I'm gonna give it Charles o kahit mamahalin. Charot. So, okay guys. So, guys, I hope did you enjoy my video. So, I hope we will see you again in my next vlog about my pearls naman. Ayan, mga pearl naman guys, I will show you. So guys, don't forget to smile. So, bye guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.